If you have one of these or even just one of these, you can start earning $250 per day online working from home in 2020. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I'm going to show you a super simple way to make money online in the tone of $250 per day, because I'm also going to show you a super secret hack that will automate it all, okay? So normally people do these manually and they can make some pretty good cash per hour, but with my secret hack you will be able to scale this up to $250 per day super easily. All you have to do is just listen and then do a little bit of writing. Super simple. Anyone can do this from anywhere in the world, and obviously you're gonna be working from home. This works perfectly in 2020 and beyond, and I'm going to show you everything there is to know about it. But before, let me give away $10. As always, if you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the money to, and I'll be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Just recently I started to do monthly live training webinars, so if you want to join me on my next webinar, that's the first link in the description. The second link is my top recommended resource for making money online. Check everything else out as well. And right now let me share my screen and let's jump into this video. So I'm going to show you a total of 9 websites that will actually make you money in this way, and in the end of this video I'm going to show you the secret hack that will automate it all for you. Okay, so the first website, as you can see, is Scribie.com. Now on this website you can start making money as a transcriptionist. Okay, so all you have to do is just listen to an audio file, and this can be anything. It can be YouTube videos, conference calls, lectures, documentaries, anything that you can think of, and you're going to be writing it out. Okay, so you just listen to an audio file and you write what you hear. And again, I'm going to show you how to automate it in the end of this video. But first of all, let me show you all of the websites and let me show you how to scale all of this potential. Okay, so again, Scribie.com. So as you can see, it's 10 cents per automated transcription and 80 cents per manual. You're going to be these manually, but keep in mind the secret hack that I'm going to show you will actually do 97% of the work for you. So obviously people can just come to this website, upload their file, and then they will be finding a transcriptionist just like you to do the work. Now all you have to do if you want to start making money is click right here where it says apply now. As you can see, you can join Scribie as a transcriber. You're going to submit your application, take the online test, and then earn per audio hour. Now this is all the information that I found that you need to know. So as you can see, this is a home-based job. You're going to work at your convenience. You're going to make $5 to $25 per audio hour. Now, as I told you, I'm going to show you how to scale this up to $250 per day very easily, because 97% of the work will be done for you. So you're going to be getting short files, 10 minutes or less. You're going to get a free automated transcript to save around 60% of typing effort, and you're going to get a monthly bonus of $5 for every free hour. I'm also going to show you a bunch of alternatives to Scribie so you can really scale up the earning potential. But as you can see, they have some requirements, and this will basically work for every single other website that I'm going to show you. So good comprehension of English, ability to interpret conversations, ability to apply context and identify mistakes. You need a verified PayPal account because you will be paid via PayPal. Obviously you need a computer, a headphone or a headset, and then you're gonna need Firefox, Chrome, or Safari, so just essentially a browser. Now you're gonna need a verified PayPal account, so this can't be like a PayPal account that you just opened and you still have limits on it. So you know, you probably already have one. You're gonna be doing a bunch of things. So first you're gonna be doing file splitting, so you just have to split the file into 6-minute intervals, then raw transcription, then review, then proofreading and quality check. And again, I'm going to show you how to automate it all in a second. You can become certified, so all you have to do is just apply, confirm your email, wait for the invite, create your account, submit a test file, and then you're gonna get certified right here on Scribie. And as you can see, depending on different assignment types, you're gonna be making anywhere from $200 per month to $1,000 per month. And again, this is only one website. I'm going to show you a bunch of other websites, and this way you're gonna be making up to $250 per day. Okay, so only transcription we have $200 to $300, transcriptions and reviews $300 to $500, transcription, reviews, and proofreading 500 to 700, and transcription, reviews, proofreading, and QC up to $1,000. So you can get started. It's free to join. All you have to do is just again take an online test so they know that you actually can do the job, and you can start making money this way. And again, Scribie.com is the first website that I wanted to show you. That's definitely the best website to join because they have a ton of work, so you're going to be getting these jobs over and over and over again. But if you really want to maximize your potential and earn the most amount of money that you can, I'm going to show you a bunch of additional websites that you can sign up for as well. Now, website number 2 is Quictate.com. This is the same exact idea. So you are a transcriptionist and they are paying you for it. They are working with a bunch of different huge companies like CNN, like Ford, like Wells Fargo, like Coca-Cola. So they are definitely legit. And as you can see, all you have to do is just click right here where it says interested in becoming a transcriber. Click here. So after clicking here, you will be presented with this form. They're going to send you all the information, and the sign up process is really easy. Now, all of these websites are really similar. The only difference is maybe in the payout. Okay, so I'm not going to be explaining exactly what each website does because they're really similar. Now, website number 3 is transcribeme.com. As you can see, they are doing fast and accurate transcriptions for as low as 79 cents per minute, so a cent less than Scribie. All you have to do is just click right here where it says join as a transcriptionist, and obviously all the information will be right here. So they actually pay more than anyone else, so they're gonna be paying you $15 to $22 per audio, with average earnings $250 and maximum earnings at $2,200 per month. Now keep in mind, this is for people that do all of this work manually. You will not be doing this manually with my secret hack I'm going to show you in the end of this video. You can check all of this out, join for free, and just wait for the jobs. Now, transcribeme.com is the website I got for you, number 3, and number 4 is rev.com. And as you can see, on rev.com you're going to be doing a bunch of different things. You can do transcription, you can do captions, and you can also do foreign subtitles. So actually, if you speak a couple of languages, you can make $3 to $7 per minute, which is very cool. And again, my secret hack for automating it all will actually work on all of these. Okay, so all you have to do on rev.com is just scroll all the way to the bottom and click on become a freelancer, learn more, and this will open up this page. As you can see, again, you're gonna have to sign up right here, and they have different rates for transcriptionists and for captionists. So all you have to do again is just listen to an audio, accurately type what you hear, and then label speakers. As a transcriptionist, you're going to be watching video, obviously, and then you're going to have to sync the typed audio with video. So you can make anywhere from 24 to 90 cents per minute or 45 to 70 cents per minute. And again, I'm going to show you the secret hack that will automate it all, so you can make even more money with much less work. Okay. Website number 5 I got for you is AccuTrendGlobal.com, and as you can see, they are transcription specialists. Same exact idea. All you have to do is just scroll all the way to this part where it says work with us, click on apply for work, and they will send you all the information. So again, the more of these websites you're using, the more transcription jobs you're gonna get, and because you're gonna be doing this in an automated fashion, you can actually do as many as you can. Okay, so you'll be able to do all of these works literally in a matter of minutes instead of hours. Okay. Next up, I got tigerfish.com. So if you're looking for transcription jobs, they got jobs for you. So I went to tigerfish.com/transcription jobs, and as you can see, they have the full explanation right here. And as you can see, they have an important note right here: applications and inquiries for transcription jobs are accepted via email only, no call. So all you have to do is just send them an email, say, listen guys, I'm a transcriptionist, I want to be working with you, and they will send you all the information as well. So that's tigerfish.com. Website number 7 I got for you is dailytranscription.com. Again, same exact idea. All you have to do is just click on careers right here, and you'll be able to join the daily transcription team. So obviously all the information is right here. And the cool thing is that they say we don't guarantee specific amounts of work per day, but our top transcriptionist makes anywhere from $250 to $950 per week, and again, their rates will be anywhere from 75 cents to 85 cents per audio minute. So how do I get started? Click on the position you want to apply. So obviously this will be a transcriptionist. You will be expected to pass a skill assessment, so just like on Scribie.com, and you can check out the FAQ for additional questions. The FAQ is right here. So dailytranscription.com, another one of these websites. And next up, I got mturk.com, so that stands for Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now this is not specifically for jobs that are transcription jobs. Now on mturk.com you can find a bunch of different jobs, mini jobs, micro jobs as they say. Transcription is one of them, but you can find a bunch of additional jobs here. Now keep in mind, this is just for additional jobs, so if you want to focus on doing these transcriptions, I would recommend probably the first 5 websites. This is just if you want to make some extra money if you don't have any orders. So mturk.com, and again, you will find transcription jobs right here or any other micro jobs that you can think of. And the last website I wanted to show you is Fiverr. Now on Fiverr, obviously this works a little bit differently because you have to set up a gig and just wait for the buyer to come to you. So it's not like you know, these buyers go to the website and then the website contacts you. The buyer will contact you directly. And on Fiverr.com, all I would do is just I would find successful transcription gigs, and I would just mirror a successful gig and just create a very similar one. So as you can see, people are actually selling hundreds, sometimes thousands of these gigs. Okay, so this lady sold 247, this lady sold 1,000 plus, and it says it starts at $5, but obviously this is just for like a few minutes of your time. So what I would do is I would just set up a gig and just see how this goes. So obviously if you want to dive deep into Fiverr, you can watch my other videos on this channel, but I just wanted to show you Fiverr as an additional way of making money as a transcriptionist. Okay, so again, what I would do is I would just open up a gig that is already successful and just copy and rewrite whatever this lady is doing. So she has the basic gig, the standard gig, and the premium gig of up to 33 euro, which is like $40. And I would just do something similar. As you can see, she has 26 orders in queue and she made 1,500 gigs she delivered. Okay, so this absolutely works on Fiverr, and you know, it just works in a little bit different way. Now, how do you actually automate it all, and how do you make much more money, up to $250 per day, working from home without actually having to type in all of this yourself? Okay, now there's a free tool that you can use. It's called Google Speech to Text. Okay, so how this works is Google will actually do all the transcribing for you. Okay, so all you have to do is just set this up so that Google hears the transcription file you got and it will type it up for you, and all you have to do at this point is just correct the mistakes. Obviously this will not be 100% accurate, but it is 95 to 97% accurate. So all you have to do is just go in, make sure that the grammar makes sense, make sure that the spelling is okay, and actually you can do this in a matter of minutes instead of hours. So most of it will be done for you. Again, this is a free tool, you have a free trial, and as you can see, this is a powerful speech recognition. So Google Cloud Speech to Text enables developers to convert audio to text by applying powerful network models in an easy to use API. Now the cool thing is that this actually works in 120 languages. So obviously, apart of doing this in English, you can do it in additional languages, which means just additional gigs if you want to do transcription in a bunch of different languages and for a bunch of different companies. And again, they have a free trial. You can check it out, start using this tool for free, and make some pretty nice automated cash this way. And again, you can scale this up to $250 per day if you're gonna use it this way, because 97% of the work will be done for you. So that's my video for you today, guys. But before you go, let me give away $10. Let me see who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. And my previous video is this one right here: how to make more money online in 2020, earn more money online 2020. Let me grab the URL and let's go to YouTube random comment picker. Let me paste in the URL. Let's filter out the duplicates and let's see. We have 29 comments, and right now let me pick a random winner. We got Mithun KV, and I got the email. So I'm going to send you $10 right now. Congratulations. And if you want to win $10 just like Mithun just did. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email, just like Mithun just did, so I know where to send the money to. Okay, so as you're seeing, I just sent $10 to the winner of the giveaway. Again, congratulations. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the first link will take you to a sign-up page for my next free training webinar, where you can actually see me presenting live and ask me questions and do whatever you want. I'm going to show you an amazing way of making money online. The second link is a link to my top recommended resource for making money online. The third link is my secret resource for making money online. Check everything else out as well. Check out my social media, join my Facebook group, and if you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment. I try to answer as many of these as I can. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording videos on making money online, internet business, working from home, so anything related to just creating this freedom lifestyle. And I'll be seeing you very, very shortly in the next video. Ciao.